Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make woolen kite. Let's start by making a tassel. For making the tassel, take a card of 10 centimeters and wool. Roll the wool around the card for 50 times. Cut the wool in the bottom and take one strand of wool and cut it into half. Using a piece of wool, tie the woolen strands in the center. Using the remaining wool piece, tie in the upper part of the tassel, wrap the remaining around it and glue it as shown. Trim the bottom part of the tassel. Take 2 chopsticks of equal size and place as plus. Take wool and start wrapping as shown. Pull out a string from tassel and glue it as shown. Cut the extra wool and secure it with glue. Cut the extra chopstick if any and secure it with glue. Arrange gota patti lace, patch and pom-poms as per your requirement. I will leave the details and links of the materials used in the description box below. We can use these woolen kites as decor pieces in backdrops for events such as Mehendi, Haldi, Sangeet, Puja and many more.